Turn my radio off. I didn't grab my GoPro. I was charging it up, but this thing's gonna be a terrible video. But we're hauling hay out right now. What we're doing is we're pre-stacking, gathering them all up. We're putting 2 rows of 5 and then a row of 4 perpendicular to the stack, which go up on top of the trailer. It's just a 32-foot gooseneck with a dovetail on it. Got my little hitch. I made a video, and if I can get it off my phone, I will. I mean, it was 3 parts. I just it would have been a 10-minute video, and I was building that 3-point hitch. And yeah, just kind of building that and talking about building it and just random YouTube stuff. But since I started using this SD card in my phone, now my computer's just being weird, saying that there's nothing on my phone, because I didn't have the SD card in my phone when I filmed it, so it stored the video back to the phone's photo gallery. But now when I hook it up to my computer, it's saying that no, there's nothing on the phone. So it's one thing leads to another. But yeah, I had a video, and if I can get it off there, I'll put it up, because it was pretty good, I think. A decent little video. But I'm in the 7810. And got it. I mean, it's working fantastic for this. I had to put weights up on the front because this hay is so heavy. The bales were averaging right at 1,700 pounds a piece. So you stack that trailer full, and the trailer and the hay is about 32,000 pounds on the back end of this tractor. So it was definitely heavy. I needed the counterbalance. The tractor's working fantastic, except for one thing. I don't have a clutch pedal. It's connected up in the cab, so I don't know if it came loose down at the transmission or it came loose in the transmission, but I have no clutch pedal. And it's pissing me off, because I know that they're going to charge me a lot for fixing this thing. And how I know that they're going to charge me a lot is they gave me a new cap. They dropped the tractor off and didn't tell me they were bringing it, and they, see if you can see it, an old green country right there, John Deere. They left a new cap in the tractor. And usually when you get a new cap, you're about to spend a shit ton of money. So yeah, I'm gonna haul this last load out, or the last load for today. I've got some other stuff I gotta get done today, and I don't want to keep running the tractor without a clutch connected. I'm gonna unload it and then pull it up to the shop and see if it just didn't come loose somewhere. But who knows? If they have to take this tractor back, I'm going to be really, really, really mad, because I really need this tractor. I've got to spray the fields, kill out the old alfalfa, and then I need to spread some manure on part of it, or I'm not going to get any chance to, because we're going to have to disc these fields down at the end of August. And because we're going to go in, except for where the alfalfa is, everything is going to go into triticale. It's a hybrid. Most of you guys probably know what it is, but triticale is half wheat, half rye. So it gets really tall and it's good for grazing. But yeah, so everything has to go into that except for the little bit of alfalfa I have. And I need to spread the manure on part of the circle before I do that, and I need to spray the circles and all that fun stuff. But right now it's just not. I gotta get the hay hauled out. I gotta do some other things. I gotta get the hay hauled out. This is one of my little stack lots. This is my stack lot in, next to the field. So last year I just had so much hay. I didn't have any room, so I had to stack it out here. And I just put me up a electric fence and built me a little stack lot out here, and this is where I stack. This is where I stack part of my hay. Part of it will go up to the house, so it's close for the grinder. But this is where the majority of the hay will be stacked from now on. I'm stacking, as you can see, I'm putting my hay on a can, and then I'm putting the other one flat. Last year we did 3 at the bottom, 2, and then 1, build a triangle. But we got so much rain that it just, we've never had that kind of rain before, so we didn't know that it would mess up a stack of hay that bad. And it did wonders for that. It just got nasty. So yeah. Come on. That's where he's been sitting all day. He gets the nice air conditioning tractor cabs. But yeah, so we're doing it like this for the room. And when you stack it like this, the bales don't squish down as bad because they're not on the ground, and they work better for the unroller, and just because they retain their shape. But and they look better when you go to sell them. I really don't care if it gets rained on and gets all discolored, but when you go to sell it, then people they don't want that. And our cows, it doesn't bother our cows at all, but let's just do it like this. But this will be the oats and peas, and then that stack back there is oats and alfalfa. And we're gonna do, it's really, really dry right now. We're getting lots of lightning, so we're gonna do stacks of 60. And not that it's gonna keep it all from burning at the same time if it does get hit, but it just keep it kind of separated. I'm not real worried about mold or anything, because this hay was all completely dried out when I baled it, so I'm not gonna worry about it getting hot. That, and when you stack it this way, it still allows a room for air to get through, and each bale can breathe a little bit. Not sometimes when you stack it the other way, it can't breathe. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on. I'm pretty upset that my tractor's having an issue. I mean, I am really upset. But we'll run it up to the shop and see if there's anything we can find. I'm not a tractor mechanic, so I don't know if I'll be able to find anything. I looked in the cab, and the cable is connected to the clutch pedal in the cab, but it could have come loose down at the transmission. And I didn't see a spring in it. That was the other thing. I didn't see a spring. I may look in this one and see if there's not a spring up actually in the cab itself, because this one's kind of tighter, but who knows. And I'm using this tractor to stack, because we didn't have any of the hay grouped up out in the field. But it's a lot easier to stack with this skid steer than it is this tractor, and it's a lot easier to stack when you're not on your damn phone trying to record things for YouTube. But yeah, you know how it is. Trying to make a good shot for you guys. And there you go. Now we'll get that one. I've gotten it where I can drop them and they'll lay right up against the other ones, but I also wasn't, you dirty cocksucker. This is why people tell me they can't watch my channel, because I make their ears burn. Alright. That's gonna make me. And I'm not gonna edit this out so you guys see all my troubles. There we go. Oh, there we go. But yeah, so, you know, fun times. Fun times on the ranch. Getting some hay out. It's been hot. It's super, super hot. We've been, God, this is week 4 of like 100-degree weather. You know, every day has been 100 degrees. It's just, or 98 or 99. It has just been miserable. But it gets hard where you know you can't really do anything outside at 2 or 3 in the afternoon unless you're running some equipment. It's just that hot. But anyways, I'm gonna get back to stacking this. It's a 12-minute video, and I'll load it up in the midst of my branding videos that are going up now. So thanks for watching, and I'll try to get some more hay hauling videos when I have my GoPro, and that way you don't have to see me fumble with the controls. I actually might look like I know what I'm doing. Thanks for watching.